Gown up in their infectious control gear. We have PAPR masks, the hoods.
More people are being asked to work from home to stop the spread of coronavirus. But what about those in the center of the fight against it?
What about those people, the first responders? They're still serving their communities amid these concerns. News 5's Emily Hamilton found out what they're doing to keep themselves and us safe.
Yeah, Rob and Danita, the city of Cleveland has developed a joint information center, and that's basically a task force of all city departments. We've got first responders, the water division, and the Cleveland Power Company, who works with all of those city entities very closely. And Cleveland EMS says they've already had to implement their new protocol after a patient exhibiting coronavirus symptoms had to be taken to the hospital by Cleveland EMS yesterday. Cleveland's first responders are stressing preparedness and the importance of communication between all departments.
We notified them prior to arrival. They were ready to meet us. They took them into their special isolation room.
Commander Chris Chapin says EMS workers carried out their coronavirus procedures Wednesday when a patient who had recently traveled and had a dry cough had to be taken to the hospital.
We took the vehicle over to our we call it our decon chamber, where we use vaporized hydrogen peroxide to sterilize the entire truck.
Deputy Commissioner David Miller says coronavirus screening begins before first responders are even dispatched to treat a patient.
Somebody calls 911, and if they ask or answer some of the questions, and then the alarms start going off saying this may be a potential patient.
EMS Services has extra ambulances on standby for patients exhibiting coronavirus symptoms.
The reason why we do that is so we're not putting our frontline ambulance out of service for decontamination, which will take possibly 6 to 8 hours to decontaminate the whole truck.
Cleveland Fire and EMS employees are outfitted with advanced protective gear for treating potential COVID-19 patients.
They'll gown up in their infectious control gear. We have PAPR masks, the hoods.
The Cleveland Division of Police is taking similar precautions.
All of our first frontline officers are equipped with both protective masks, gloves. We're in the process of ordering face shields as well as protective gowns.
We're told all city and county entities are working closely together to keep an eye on these coronavirus developments. Now, the Emergency Operations Center of Cleveland was activated this morning, and it will be open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays, but we can expect those hours to be expanded as new developments come with coronavirus concerns. Reporting live from EMS headquarters, Emily Hamilton, News 5.